Imagine you're walking through a forest. You hear branches moving. You stop. You look around, but you can't see anything. Then, suddenly, a group of chimpanzees bursts out of the trees. Not one, not two, several. And what's terrifying isn't their strength. It's the fact that they may have been watching you the entire time, studying you, waiting. Most people think chimpanzees are just funny animals. They eat fruit, they play, they swing through trees. Some even smile. But the truth is much darker. Chimpanzees are among the most intelligent animals on Earth, and that intelligence can sometimes make them extremely dangerous. By the end of this video, you'll understand why some scientists believe chimpanzees are capable of surprisingly strategic violence. Chimpanzees share about 98% of their DNA with humans. They are our closest living relatives. They laugh. They play games. They form friendships. They comfort each other after fights. At times they seem almost human. But there's another side to them. An adult male chimpanzee is incredibly powerful. Their muscles are built differently from ours. They can climb, pull, and fight with astonishing force. They also have large canine teeth designed for combat. If a chimpanzee becomes aggressive, it is not like dealing with an angry person. You are facing a powerful wild animal. Now, here's where things become truly fascinating. Researchers have observed groups of chimpanzees quietly patrolling the borders of their territory. Several males move together through the forest, silently, carefully, listening, watching, searching. When they find a lone rival from another group, they may attack together. Scientists have studied this behavior for decades. The attacks are often coordinated. The group chooses moments when they have the advantage. Many researchers compare this behavior to a primitive form of warfare. Think about that for a moment. These animals are not always acting randomly. They can assess risks. They can cooperate. And they can act as a team. One of the most shocking discoveries happened in Tanzania, at a research site called Gamba. For years, scientists believed chimpanzees were mostly peaceful. Then, everything changed. A chimpanzee community split into two rival groups. Former friends became enemies. Over several years, the two groups fought each other. Members of one group tracked down members of the other, one by one. The conflict continued until one group was effectively defeated. The discovery shocked scientists around the world. It revealed a side of chimpanzees that few people had ever imagined. Chimpanzees also have remarkable memories. They can recognize individuals years after seeing them. They remember friends. They remember allies. And they remember rivals. Their social lives are incredibly complex. Relationships matter. Trust matters. Status matters. Chimpanzee society is filled with alliances, competition, and power struggles. In some ways, it resembles human politics. But there is something even more surprising. Chimpanzees use tools. They modify sticks to catch insects. They use stones to crack nuts. They learn from one another, and different chimpanzee groups have different traditions, almost like cultures. This means young chimpanzees can learn behaviors from older generations. Knowledge is passed down, just as it is in human societies. Over the years, there have also been cases where chimpanzees attacked humans. These incidents are rare, but they can be extremely serious. Many occurred when people tried to keep chimpanzees as pets. Experts repeatedly warn against this. No matter how friendly a chimpanzee may seem, no matter how long it has lived around people, it is still a wild animal. And wild animals can be unpredictable. Perhaps the most unsettling thing about chimpanzees is that they are not monsters. They are not evil. They are simply intelligent animals shaped by millions of years of evolution. They observe, they learn, they cooperate, they compete. And sometimes they fight. That combination of intelligence and strength is what makes them so fascinating, and also what makes them worthy of respect. So, should you be terrified of chimpanzees? Maybe not terrified, but you should absolutely respect them. Behind those expressive faces is one of the most intelligent animals on Earth. An animal capable of friendship, tool-making, problem-solving, and surprisingly organized aggression. Chimpanzees remind us of something uncomfortable. The line between humans and the rest of the animal kingdom is much thinner than many of us would like to believe. And perhaps that is the most terrifying fact of all.